So hi guys, my name is Shomraj and you are watching Coding Below, and in this video we are going to make some changes to our post update component, and let's get started to the video. So guys, we are in the project, and first of all let me start the project. So now we are going to go to our project and then client. Then this is our component and we are going to make some changes to this. So first of all, I will create the form, and in this form we are going to store our fields. And first I am going to require the form from React stack. So this is our form element, and after that form group. Now the first level will be for the author part. So here, sorry guys. This is for the author, and I'm going to import it. And then after that I am going to import input component. So in the input component there is a type field, and the type will be text, and the name will be author, and I am going to set the autocomplete to off. And then in the placeholder I am going to write your name. I am going to format it, and now I will require these two fields, but I will make them later in a while and on change. And that's it. We are done with the first part, and then we are going to copy this form group, and then after that, and this one will be for the content. And then I'm going to write. So this is done also, and in the next part I'm going to add buttons. I also imported it from the React stack component, and then again I'm going to give it as a class name. The color will be success, that is green. And right now we will not be adding any functionality to this button. So, and this button will be for cancel, and the color will be danger. So I hope the form is complete, we can check the form also in our UI. So from here we have to go to update to see our component. So as you can see, we can see this, and this is showing as true because we haven't applied any value to the value attribute. Now I am going to add some value, and for that I am going to require the hook use state, and then the first one will be a, and it will have nothing, so this one, and then after that use state, so this one will be content, and like before it will also have blank as the initial value. So this is it, and now I have to assign the value to this part, author, and now again it will have content, and in the onChanged method I am going to give it a method, and then set author, just like this, and here the method will be set content. So I hope guys we are ready. Let's check our UI again. So as you can see, we are able to write, and this is it. For the content part, I am going to change the type to text area so that it becomes large like this, so we can add multiple lines. This is just random. And now guys, I want to fill the value of these two fields from the post part. So if we go to the redux and then reducer, then from this part I want to fill the value. So let's do it. So for that I am going to use a hook and use effect, and then I am going to remove all this, and now I have to connect with the redux, connect from React Redux. So we are good here. So in this part I am going to require the post and state dot post, and then in the from the props I'm going to take the post, and then I will add the post dependency, and then here I am going to check if post, then I am going to check like this, if post not equal to null, set author post author and set content post.content. And we also have to import use effect. So this is it. So we are in our UI and let's see if it works or not. And I'm going to take this post. So as you can see, we are bringing in the author and the content in the update part. So let's continue. So now guys, we have to work on our button so that it can update and it can also cancel the update. So for that we have to go to post types and we have to create new post types, and I'm going to skip it to save some time. So we are done here, and I'm going to also create another type. So we have mentioned our types. Now we have to go to the actions. So for that we have to write and I am going to take three fields: content and then dispatch. And I'm just going to copy this thing. So in the first part we have to send request, and then we are going to make a post request, and if we see our routes, uh, this is our update route, update slash id. So we have created our route, and then after that we have to give our data, so author and content. So that's it, and after that we don't have to store our post, and we don't have to send a payload. Success and then update post failure, and I'm going to edit the message. So that's it, and for the cancel update part I'm also going to send a action, create a action. Sorry guys, so we are done here. Now we have to go to the reducer. So in the reducer, and first I am going to make it true loading, and then after that we have to mention success, return our old state, then loading is set to false, and then also I will make my post null. And in the failure part also I'm going to do this. So, and in the cancel update also we are going to do this. So we are done here. Now we will go to our post update component. So in the post update component, and now we have to dispatch our actions. Update post, and it will require 3 fields. So for that I am going to import it. Then cancel update. Sorry guys. And it will not require any arguments. Also we can import it. So we have imported it, and right now we have to import it from our props. Update post and cancel update. So we are done here. So now in the button I will mention on click, and on update I am going to name it as on update. And in this part I am going to just send my reference to of cancel update, and then on update. And in this method I will first check the 3 fields. If post is there, post ID is there, and author, sorry guys, and content. So if it is there I'm going to send our action, fire our action. So post dot id, then author, and then content. And we can also create a error message. So and this will be also empty at first, and then after that if we don't have any fields, so we will just set the error, please uh, fill all the fields of the form. And in this part I am just going to set the error message to blank, and then in the form here error message, and if it is there I will show it, otherwise I am going to show null. And in this portion I am going to take the help of alert. Then here I will give the color of danger, and then here I am going to mention the message. So we are done here, and from the state guys, we are also required to import loading so that we can show a spinner and error, so that we can show the error also. And from the posts part we are going to take the help of this, and uh, we are just going to take the help of this snippet in the post update component. So first it will give us an error, as you can see, and I'm going to name it as post update form. And then we are going to take the help of loading an error from the props. Loading an error, and spinner is also not defined, so we will import it. Let's see our error and map dispatch to props. We haven't mentioned it. So I hope guys this is it, and so we don't have any error, so we are going to see our UI. So guys, we are inside our UI, and in this part I am going to just edit this Wonder Woman post, and as you can see our get post data and the request and success is fired. So now I'm just going to add latest, and this is 2020, and then I am going to press the update. So as you can see we have received our action success, but this is not redirecting us to the home page, so we will fix that. So we are in the post update component, and we are just going to redirect it to the home page. So for that I am just going to check if there is post, then I am going to make the post update form visible, and if not I am just going to redirect it to the home page. I have to import it, so I have imported it, and let's check our UI again. I hope it works. So we are in our UI, and I'm again going to take this. So Wonder Woman, I'm just going to make it as the previous one, 1984. So as you can see guys, it is also working. We are fetching our post again, and if I press cancel, but this button is not working guys, we have to fix that. So guys, I have found the problem, and the problem was this: I haven't dispatched the action. You guys have probably guessed it earlier. Let me now fix it. And I hope it works now. And let's go to our UI. So we are inside our UI, and I'm just going to take this as example, and now I'm going to press the cancel. So as you can see, our action is dispatched, and then we have also again fetched all our posts. So that's it guys for this. So guys, our post update component is finished, and I hope you have liked the video. And if you have any queries, you can post your queries in the comment section, and I will try to reply them. And see you in the next video.